What happened?
You got a flat tire.
What?
I said it feels like you got a flat tire.
There was a lot of glass.
Yeah.
There's so much. I was walking through, I was like, oh my gosh, look at all this glass.
Did you hear it stall out right there?
Yeah, it was like, you were like, oh! I heard you yell.
It's hot.
Yeah, I was filming a lot. I'm gonna make a little montage. How does the track? Good?
It's fun, yeah.
You're 215. Johnson.
You should take the 110 out.
Maybe in a little bit. Whew.
I need a drink too.
Alright, how is it? Is it good? Smooth? Is it smooth or is it a little bit bumpy?
There's some ruts, some root areas, you know. Nothing hard, easy to it.
You're getting through it fast.
Most of those laps I was just kind of chilling. You see how like,
Yeah.
I got so tired, it's so hot out, it's like 100 degrees.
I think I got pretty much every single spot
Really?
on this baby.
Nice. My mouth is like a desert.